Every morning, moist and sun-warmed air starts rising. Prelude to the midday clouds. And every afternoon, the rain descends. As tropical rainforests around the planet live up to their hot and humid name. Every day since time on Earth has begun, the sun has traced a beam of energy and heat, a band around the Earth's equator. And so the daily dose of sun and water keeps the tropic landscape nourished, slowly shaping, changing every form of life. And still, there are 50 million years to go before humans arrive.